Hey guys, I've been doing a lot of blind today, so I'm gonna scramble my cube to scramble. Okay, so I've been doing a lot of failed blind solves recently, and I just can't seem to get it right. So, oh, whoops, this is my timer. As you can see, I got a 612 fail. Wow! 612 fail. Would have uploaded it because my record's 524, and that's close enough. Alright, so I'm trying to beat 524, which is my record. Let's go. Alright, let's see. I'm starting now. Okay. G-H-H-C. Cat. H cat. K. Oh shoot, my buffer solved. That's not good. Corners, A, K. Hold on, Mom, I'm doing a blind spot. I'm doing a blind spot. Thank you. Okay, so here's the time for memorization. Now. Okay, but 520, that would be my record. Yes! Yeah! Oh, yes, I got my record on camera. I got my record on camera. Yes! 520 blindfold. Thanks for watching, if you haven't. Oh, I copied Steam now. Anyways, it's my record for blindfold. Actually, I hope to be sub 5 at the competition March 3rd. Or sub 4, because it's like a month from now. But yeah, that's a pretty nice. That was not like a good scramble. It's not like a lot of pieces were solved. There was like only one piece was solved, my buffer, which is bad for the corners. It's a bad thing, guys. That's a bad thing. Non-blind solvers out there. It was just because it was easy. It was like had nice words in there. Cat, Jew, what else do you think? I had AK, one of my friend's initials. I'm not gonna say it. Yeah. That's what I remember. So, yeah. Good thing I succeeded, because I would have just had like so mad. Like, yeah, that was my best attempt. Like, I've not even had an attempt less than that. So yeah, not only is it my best on video, but my best ever.